Welcome. In today's video, we'll go over how to enable the option that lets people find your account on X, formerly Twitter, by using your email address. This tutorial will show you how to do it step by step on the X website using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Once you're on your homepage, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different icons. Click on the one labeled More. A drop-down list will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on the option called Privacy and Safety. This section controls who can find you and how your information is used on X. Once you're inside Privacy and Safety, look for the category named Discoverability and Contacts. Click on it to open the Discoverability settings. At this point, X may ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons. If prompted, enter your account password and then click Next. This ensures only you can make changes to your discoverability preferences. Now, you'll see several options that determine how others can find your account. To allow people who know your email address to find you on X, check the box that says Let people who have your email address find you on X. When you turn this option on, users who have your email in their contacts or address book can easily locate your account when they sync their data with X. Once you've enabled it, the setting will automatically save and you're done. You can now return to your homepage or adjust any other privacy preferences as needed. That's it for this tutorial. You've just learned how to enable the discoverability feature through your email address on XWeb using your computer. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials on X and other popular apps. Thanks for watching.